If you're seeing a framer error in a component, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to find the problem and fix it step by step. This is especially useful if one of your components suddenly breaks, stops rendering correctly, or shows an error after you edit content, add custom code, or update an embed. And the best part is, once you know what to check, you can usually solve it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Framer tips and quick fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Framer and click the component that is showing the error. Once you have it selected, click Edit Component so you can inspect the component directly. This is where you'll usually find the source of the issue. Now, the first thing to check is whether anything inside the component is broken or missing. Look carefully for a broken embed code, because a bad embed can cause the component to error out immediately. If you find an embed that is no longer working, remove it and see if the component loads correctly again. Next, check for any missing images or text. If a layer or content block was accidentally unassigned, that can also trigger errors. Reassign the missing image or text where needed so the component has all the content it expects. Another common issue is a deleted layer. If something inside the component was removed by mistake, the structure can break. In that case, re-add the missing layer so the component matches its original layout again. If the component still isn't working, then the next place to look is Custom Code. Go to Settings, then open Custom Code. This section is important because a small script can completely break a component if it changes the page in the wrong way. Remove any script that uses document.body.inner HTML because that can overwrite the entire page content and instantly break components. Also remove any code that overrides page content or replaces the structure of the page. These types of scripts are often the reason a component suddenly stops behaving normally. After cleaning up the code, go back and test the component again. At this point, many Framer component errors are already fixed. If everything looks correct, the final step is to republish your project. Click Publish and then check the component one more time on the live site. Sometimes the editor looks fine, but the published version is what confirms whether the fix actually worked. If the error is gone, great. You've successfully fixed the component. If it still appears, repeat the checklist and look again for missing layers, broken embeds, or custom code conflicts. The key is to troubleshoot in this order. Open the component, check common issues, review custom code, and then republish. That method will save you a lot of time and help you find the exact problem much faster. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Framer tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.